Guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video at Moorhead Homestead. Before we begin, please like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Got a pretty cool little start to this video coming out here. I'm going to go hit up Tatted Pig Barbecue. It's my buddy Kyle from high school. He has this food truck. He's actually set up in Salina right now. He mostly sets up in Tahlequah, which is a little bit of a drive for us. So I haven't got to eat out of the food truck. He's catered some food in to work a little bit ago, but this will be my first time hitting his truck up, and I'm super excited. We're going to go over there before church, grab us some barbecue, eat a little food, and I'll give you let you guys know how it is, give a little review. And if you guys want to, I know this week he's going to be set up in Pryor, Locust, Salina, and then he also sets up in Tahlequah several days a week. So if you guys love barbecue like I do, it's become my favorite food ever is barbecue now, and it used to not be. So you guys have to go check out his truck, Tatted Pig Barbecue, and he also has a Facebook page, and he posts where he's going to be set up at. So I'll try to put a link in the description below, Tatted Pig Barbecue, down there. Go check it out. All right, guys, we'll see you when we get there. Oh, they got mac and cheese.
Yeah, we do got mac and cheese. We just made a fresh batch.
Sweet.
Yeah.
What's up, man?
What's up, buddy? How you doing?
Oh, good. So just pulled up here to Tatted Pig Barbecue food truck. As I said before, we're about to order and see what this food looks like, but they got quite the menu. So like I said, follow them on Facebook, Tatted Pig on Facebook, right? Just Tatted Pig on Facebook.
Barbecue Company, hit us up.
Hit them up, and they'll be posting where they're going to be at all over the place, Mace County, and then Tahlequah, Cherokee County, wherever. So look them up, and then go find the food truck.
Yep.
All right, I'm super pumped about this.
I'm not about the table though.
You're not about the table?
Yeah, what's under the table? Oh yeah, get missing.
There's Huntman. See him.
These are mine.
There's yours. Here's mine.
That looks so good. There's carrots in there.
Got carrots.
What is that then?
I'm going to try this bologna. Cut up chunks.
Oh, no.
I think I have a battery.
What are you doing to that kid? Oh no, my battery's about to die.
Good.
Anyways, this bologna is spectacular. How's your nachos, real
I
quick?
don't know yet.
Real quick, battery's flashing. Bologna's off the chain. Look at these nachos too. The nachos look bomb. Pretty good serving size as well, so go check out Tatted Pig. See you guys. We got some bad news from the homestead. We got to go take care of something in the chicken pen here, and then I'll share some good news.
Yeah,
I think we've pretty much collected all the money. I'll give you a total here in a little bit in this video, and then we will on the next video you'll see me presenting it to Mr. Barnes. So first I'm going to get some feed. What's up?
It's cold out here.
Throw some feed out. Oh, we need to do a cleanup day. There's just stuff everywhere.
There's a baseball.
Can you get the gate open for me?
Huh?
Oh, it is cold. March is being extremely, extremely bipolar for whatever reason. Woo. What up? What up, Lucy? MJ?
2 girls and 2 girls. The other boy's gone.
What?
Dun dun dun.
Yeah, so the bad news. Hallie was out here earlier checking stuff, and go! Quick! Ugh. Woo, close. Alright, so bad news. Well, I'll just show you. So we have a casualty on the homestead. Come around this way, sis. One of our hens died for whatever reason. We don't know. But it's a Benny egg in the feed.
Oh.
So we're going to have to get her out of here. But
Put
not
her in the bucket and carry on.
good. No, we don't want to put her in the bucket that feeds in. So we're going to get some more feed out here for them also. So I'm going to dump this feed bucket. It looks like it got a little bit of moisture in here. Even though we put all this stuff up and it's been under this awning. We'll dump that out and then we'll go from there.
Yeah, that's not Chickaletta. That's good news.
Some good news.
Yeah.
Not sure how this happened. So, bad news. We lost another hen for whatever reason. So,
Oh, I forgot I had the egg.
little backstory. Hallie actually noticed yesterday that it was acting kind of funny. And then today, sometime today while we was at work and school, it croaked. So, probably going to be in the market for some new hens. So now I'm down to 4. I'd like to be around 10, which is what I started with. Back to the Barnes Fund. So we got roughly like $2,600 donated from y'all. We went by the post office box Sunday, I think, or Saturday. What day was it?
Saturday.
And we had like 25 checks in the mail. It was so cool. Pretty much everyone wrote us a nice letter, nice note in it. You guys are greatly appreciated. We thank you guys so much for helping out the Barnes family. Ryder actually got to go home 2 days ago now, I believe, 3 days ago. So the family got to attend church together this past Sunday. It's a blessing. So once again, thank you guys so much for donating, and I cannot wait to bless this family with your guys' donations. So look forward to it, excited, and can't wait. So like I was saying, it was like t-shirt weather this last weekend. Today it's a high in the upper 30s. It's going to be in the 30s tomorrow as well. And then next Wednesday it's going to be 81 degrees. So March is kind of all over the place. Makes it tough if you're trying to get any fishing done like I've been trying lately. But it's all good. It'll get warmed out. It'll get lined out pretty soon and be good to go. As you guys know, the Okie Homesteading Expo is coming up. I'd like to see every one of you guys there. If you guys have not bought tickets yet, they're still available. OkieHomesteadingExpo.com, or you can pay at the gate. And just look forward to seeing everybody. It's going to be a great time. Great fellowship with a lot of other YouTube channels. I can't wait to meet some of the people that I watch and haven't got to meet yet. I'm kind of a fan of, in a sense, my own right. So it's going to be cool to get to meet some of those channels and just chat and meet up with them. It's going to be a great time. Look forward to seeing all y'all there as well. You ready for it, sis?
Yeah.
You know why? There's going to be a lot of food there. You like food, don't you? You want to play a game of pig real quick?
Mm-hmm.
I'll beat you.
I have an egg in my pocket.
It'll be alright. Don't smash it.
I'll just take it out.
Yeah, that'll work. Sis and I is going to play a little pickup game of pig real quick and see who wins. So, what does the loser got to do?
I have no idea.
The loser has to give the other one a back rub. Deal? Deal, right? Mm-hmm. Alrighty. Pig.
Scared.
P-I-G. I'll shoot left-handed. If you shoot left-handed.
And you can't do super duper far.
Okay, no super duper far, left-handed. Last one, or first one to pig, that's going to be the other one, a back scratch.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Where's the ball? Where's the ball? Where's the ball at?
You can't shoot past this big chunk of stick.
What? Why not?
No, this stick.
Okay, I won't shoot past that. Alright, here we go. Line it up. Wah, wah, wah.
Okay, not bad.
Not bad. Alright, right there. Alright. You got it, sis. Oh, almost. You're a P.
He's rude.
Here you go. You like it better from this side?
Yeah. Did it count?
You ready? Let's see it. See if it's going straight in. Oh, almost.
My fingers are about to fall off.
You can just forfeit now and go ahead and give me the back rub.
No.
Here you go.
No.
Nice and easy. Nice and easy.
Alright, here.
Scoot up a little bit. Yep, hit it right off the square. Oh, got it. Oh, ball ran off.
Did I swish it?
No. Just make it in the hoop. What do you say? One-handed. Oh, rats.
I can't do it. My hands are up full.
Oh, well, you're a PI. Uh-oh. Oh. My turn.
Yeah!
Did I make it? I
No.
missed it. How did I miss that? You're up.
I'm gonna shoot close and my fingers are gonna fall off. Yeah. I
Oh,
usually make every shot there. Right there. Yes. Be a PI soon.
never.
Never.
Okay. Oh yeah, I got you. Here you go. Here you go. Ready?
Yeah.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Not bad.
Huh?
Not bad.
One-hander, don't count. Did you make that? What?
I definitely made that.
Huh?
I definitely made that. Are you a PI?
Are you a PI?
Yeah. Are we tied?
We're tied.
You missed this one. You ate. Wait, no, I have to prove it then.
No, no proofs.
Yes, prove.
Nope.
Why?
Cold. If you miss it, you're done. Uh-oh. So all I have to do is make it and you miss, right? Huh?
Yeah. We have confidence.
You got this.
Where's my
You
hair?
got this. Nope. Closer, it's like right here. Say it. Say, I got this.
I got this.
Say it again.
I got this.
Say it again. All right, here we go. Oh! Hey, can you do me a favor? Can you warm your hands up before you rub my back?
No. Rub it on like this.
Alright guys, well, that's all we got on today's video. We had a little friendly competition here. The sun's fading. It is getting so cold out here now. But, come here, sis. It didn't work out in her favor this time. It was close. PI to PIG, right? Mm-hmm. Maybe next time, eh? Mm-hmm. Alright guys, thanks for watching today's video. If you liked this video, smash the like button. If you have not subscribed to our channel at Moorhead Homestead.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
And
Ring that notification bell.
please like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and thanks for donating. And just thanks for being awesome. Alright guys, till next time. God bless.